Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you to learn how to log into your Compass Payroll account. Compass Payroll Service is a service provider that automatically processes payroll calculation, payroll tax payment of small business and non-profit organizations. The company payroll service saves both time and money at the same time. Now let's get started with opening up any browser in your PC. Now type compasspayroll.com. After typing compasspayroll.com, press enter. Now you are directed to official website. Scroll a little bit down and here you can see employer-employee login. Now you have to click on enter secure site. Now let's start from typing username and your password. In case you have forgotten your password, you can recover your password by clicking on forget password link. After filling the details, tap on I am not a robot button. After that, tap on login. Then you will be headed to your account. I hope this video helped you to sign in to your account. If it did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.